The law of universal gravitation is a fundamental concept in physics, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century. It describes how objects with mass are attracted to each other due to gravity. Here's a simple explanation. Mass. A gravitational force exists for every item with mass, which is essentially everything in our environment. The gravitational pull of an object increases with its mass. Everything in the cosmos is attracted to every other object, with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses, according to the law of universal gravitation. To put it another way, if you have two objects, like the Earth and you, they are drawn to one another by their masses. Inverse square. As the distance between the items grows, the attraction force becomes weaker. In other words, the further apart they are, the less attracted the two objects are to each other. This relationship is referred to as following the inverse square law. The gravitational pull between two objects weakens by a factor of 4, when the distance between them is doubled. Formula. The formula for the law of universal gravitation is expressed as g times m1 times m2 divided by r squared. In this equation, F represents the gravitational force between the two objects. G is the gravitational constant, a constant value that doesn't change. M1 and M2 are the masses of the two objects. And R is the distance between the centers of the two objects. This law basically explains why things fall to the Earth is drawing them to it, and why planets orbit around the Sun, which is because the Sun's gravity maintains their orbit. This is a fundamental idea in physics that aids in our comprehension of how gravity operates on a global scale.